Okay, so there's not a single Rae Dunn mug here. Christmas or everyday, not a single one. But they have this. They have onion, which I was looking for so long last year. 19.99. And they have all these. Somebody's rapping. You're in a happy mood. Okay, so they're emptying a tank, and I will be back once they're done. This is not Rae Dunn, but I just wanted to show you how cute it is. You can put so many things there. And once again, I'm in the ornament aisle, and I'm just loving it. I really am. Look at these beautiful wreaths. I don't know. I want you to comment down below if you are like me. If you like decorating the outside front door of your home or the front door of your home seasonal, because I love it. Right now I have it for fall, or actually summer. I haven't even changed for fall yet because I've been so busy. But if you need anything, you can find it probably in her brand. A good example of that is these note cards. So cute with a gnome tangled up in the Christmas lights. And this is how it would look. 12 stickers, 13 envelopes, 12 notes. $5.99. And then this one, which is more my kind, a little bit more rustic. Look how it would look. Ain't that cute? I mean, I thought she was doing mugs and, you know, kitchen stuff, but these past few years that I've been following her, look, you can see the laundry right there, the laundry bin. She has done so many things that I'm like shocked, because you can never fully, completely see everything that's out. Every day it's a new surprise, like every single day. $6.99. Okay, so I'm gonna head out to checkout because you want some pajamas? I'm gonna head out to checkout because I want to see if they have anything there, and if we do find it, I will be recording. Look at this in black for the logs. This is something I would use. I had one, but it was galvanized in gray, but this black one matches my black wall where I have my chimney. That's cute. Very elegant, sophisticated. Not so much this small one, but these big ones, oh my god, yes. Okay guys, we're on checkout. As always, some Christmas Rae Dunn for the kitchen, and I love this. I can use this in my tier tray. This is cute. $7.99. What? This is tier tray decoration right here for sure. Look at the big ones. Look at how long this checkout is. And this is one side only. Okay, here's some Rae Dunn socks. Look at the $6.99. Look at the fall out loud, let it snow, jingle all the way, love, Merry Christmas, merry and bright, ho ho ho. What? And they have a lot. They have like some here and some right there. So yeah, that's a lot. Okay, now this time let's go in the checkout. Oh, this is my kind of socks, 6-pack. They have these two, very bright, solid color ones. These are more for like Thanksgiving. Okay guys, I am in checkout and I do see a couple of mugs. I see Feliz Navidad, $5.99. This is adorable. Then I see right here a green. I don't know where to place it. Meowy and bright. And I'm not sure if this is, wait, hold on. Nope. That's it. This is officially the only 2 mugs that we see in this entire video. Did I score? No, I did not. But am I going to quit and stop looking? No, I am not. So, with that being said, let's walk a little further. Let's see if by any chance we see anything that someone might have left that can make my day a little brighter. Nothing yet, but that's not gonna stop me. Oh, I love this. Ooh, chocolate spoons. They have these at the Dollar Tree. They're not there yet, but the closer we get to Christmas, you're gonna see those in the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Okay guys, I know I said goodbye and subscribe and all that stuff, but I had to show you this. This is Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving is not here yet, so I still can record this. Look, they have a thankful. Then they have 2 home sweet home candles. Hello fall. Hold on, let me put this. Give me a second. Look at this. Hello fall. Home sweet home. Thankful. What? Isn't that cute? Then they have some lookalikes. And another thankful here. And they harvest right here. One of those huge ones that are like 70 bucks. Crazy. I would not spend that much. They have a smaller one here. They have another harvest candle there, and this beautiful pumpkin spice little canister like to drink. I'm not sure if it's actually functional, but I've seen those around. And look at this one. Now this I have not seen. This is the first time I did see this. I did see this. This is $19.99 online, but not here. What? Look at that. So cute. Those are candles, by the way. And then they have these gather pumpkin, and these, look at this, faux candles, which is great if you have kids. And these are how much? Let me check that for you. $19.99, and this is cute for the Thanksgiving dinner table. Very cute. That's a yes for me. Now that's really it for this haul, or actually this video. Thank you so much, very much. Hope you follow us in the next shop with me. Enjoy.